Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you a cool website that you can use to interact with any web page that you have within your Chrome browser. It is called Clico, which is a free and open source software. It's a free AI. You can access it by coming to tryclico.com. Over here you can see Clico is a free AI writing assistant for Chrome. Select the text for answers, summarize articles and draft replies without you even leaving your tab. Okay, so all you need is you can see where you can write, okay, in all of these features. So there are cases when you can click on it with Control and O to create an open text field. Press shortcut, Clico sees the page and writes for you. It can just give you a quick summary of it. You can double tap the control or the hashtag, 2 taps, to create a summary of that particular page, or you can search it instantly for answers. You can select a portion and you can search for it directly. Okay, and you can speak when you don't want to type. Also, you can press the control and hold and you can be able to speak directly. Okay, so you can do other things like your browser tabs are in memory. You can use the arrows key up and down and then to be able to have other features. So the first thing you need to do is to start by adding it to your Chrome browser. You can click to add it and you can see it will bring you in here with a demo of what it does, an overview of that and a review of the AI tool. You can click on add to Chrome to add that particular extension to your Chrome. It is going to download and add it to your Chrome. So it's one of the best AI writing assistants that you can work with. So you can see by just adding, you can come to your list of extensions and you see it in here. You can pin it as well at any given point. So let's say for this page, once you click on your Clico, it is going to open and you'll be able to see the different things that you can do. Continue to Clico. So let's refresh this page. And then once you click on Clico, it will be able to bring you this tab. You can opt the option to click on it with Control O, and then you can highlight a section to search for it, and then you can hold the double control to give you a complete summary of the page. Okay, so let's say in here I have this summary. I'll search for 10 tips for public speaking. Okay, let's check even this Brian tips. So once you're here, these are 10 tips for public speaking. You can be able to click on the Clico and it will bring you over here. So if you want to click on it to get a summary, you can do Control O and it is going to give you the option to ask questions. So give me a summary of this page. Okay, so you can hit on enter and then in a matter of seconds you can see it has given you a complete summary of this page, what the page is all about and what you need to understand about the article that was written in here. Okay, so you can always copy or you can also do the Control O to ask further questions. Can you give me 3 major takeaways from this blog? All right, so you hit on enter and this is going to go through and give you 3 major takeaways from the blog page that you have. You can see the first one, the second one and the third one. So this is very, very fantastic. You can copy it and you can paste it somewhere within your document if you are interested in that. Now that's the first thing. You can highlight a section also and search for it. Let's say we highlight this section. Okay, know your audience, and you can see search for this. You can say search for this, and this is going to go ahead and search the web and give you more information about this and even the sources that you can find something relevant about knowing your audience. You can see this has now searched for it. Know your audience. Audience analysis is the process of collecting and interpreting data about your listeners, tailor your presentation to their specific interests, needs and knowledge levels. Okay, you can see these are some of the things you need to pay attention to. Identify your audience, collect relevant data, analyze context and even customize content according to what you want, and identify influencers. And these are some of the sources that you can find this relevant information from as well. And you can copy it also to and paste it somewhere else. If you are tired of typing and you just want to speak, for example, about these top 10 tips and tricks on public speaking, you can as well use Clico for that. Let me show you how you can do that. So for example, let's say I use the Control O to enable the chatting area. Now you have the option to hold the control key to now start speaking. So let me hold down the control key on my keyboard and just start speaking. So this is a quick example of me trying to use Clico to understand this particular page. Can you give me a quick summary, maybe highlighting 5 major takeaways from this particular website that we are on that talks about public speaking tips and tricks? So you can see As I have just finished speaking, it has gone through, understood my write-up, and then giving me the 5 key takeaways from this particular tool, and you can copy and use them somewhere else. So this is the power of Clico, that you don't have to even type, you can read directly. If you have an email, that's another feature that I like the most. If you have an email, you can easily reply it with Clico. So let me click on reply to this particular email, and when I'm here, I'll just use the Clico it Control O, and then I can speak with holding the keyboard. Can you reply to Brilla? Simply telling them about my understanding of the link and that I have been able to watch the website that they have created and I actually like it, and I'm going to use Brilla subsequently for all my website creation. So you can see it has quickly done that, and it has written an email for me. Thank you for sending the magic link. I have successfully accessed the site and really like what you have created. I plan to use Brilla on my upcoming projects moving forward. Okay, so you can see the content is really nice, and you can just click to send it directly. So this is the power of Brilla. It's a very key AI tool that you can use to understand your pages, to help you to write professionally, and to help you to ease your access to any of the website. You can summarize, you can give you takeaways, you can even search for further information or write your email or generally understand what you are surfing on the internet. I do hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye.